Hey there, tired of street sounds or neighbor chatter sneaking through your windows? Let's tackle soundproofing windows with easy, effective methods to reclaim your peace in just a few steps. First, seal those gaps. Sound loves to leak through tiny cracks. Grab some weather-stripping tape, it's affordable and sticks right onto window frames to block air and noise. For extra protection, apply acoustic caulk around the window's edges. It's a quick fix that makes a big difference. Next, add window inserts. These are like noise-cancelling headphones for your windows. Custom acrylic panels fit snugly into your window frame, cutting outside noise by up to 50%. They're removable and renter-friendly too. Step 3. Hang heavy curtains. Thick, floor-length soundproof curtains or thermal drapes absorb sound waves and add a cozy vibe. Look for ones labeled with a high STC rating for max impact. Finally, for a budget hack, try window film or soundproofing blankets. Window film adds a layer to dampen vibrations, while blankets can be hung temporarily for serious noise blocking. Pro tip: combine these methods for the best results. Start small, test, and layer up as needed. In no time, your space will be a quiet sanctuary, perfect for work, relaxation, or recording. Ready to silence the chaos? Pick one of these methods and start soundproofing your windows today.